How to fix failed to verify username, Minecraft Aternos. So pretty much a clear guide on pretty much how to do this. We have a few options here to have options for you, but first you're gonna have to check your Microsoft or Minecraft account actually, Minecraft account. So make sure you are logged in with a premium, or not really premium, but a valid Minecraft account. And if you are using a cracked launcher like I am over here, T launcher, you're gonna have to enable crack mode in the Aternos server. You can directly do this in the options over here in the left, and then just press on the crack mode feature over here. Oops, that was my server going on. But anyways, you can scroll to online mode if you are going to choose uncracked. But again, you can set it to off. This allows cracked players to join and save and restart your server. I mean on, actually, my bad. But anyways, if you are using premium Minecraft, you can keep online mode on in server settings. Log out of your Minecraft launcher, then log back in with your Mojang or Minecraft account. Then restart the launcher and you connect to Aternos. So you can restart it over here, the client or the server. So you can fully stop your Aternos server and restart it, because that might be the problem. Of course, you're gonna have to make sure the name you're putting in is correct. Make sure there are no spaces, like correct capitalism. Is that a word? But anyways, there is a last resort where you can refresh the session. So if you are on Minecraft Premium, I'm not Minecraft Premium, you can log out from the launcher, restart your PC or router to reset basically the network sessions, and then just log back in with your actual account, correct name and everything, and try again. But hopefully one of these options can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.